Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Tavern Tale game. Not opening, not loading, not working, keep stopping, crashing or other issues on Android phone. So if you are also going through this kind of issue, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the first method, what you need to do is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to open the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should check if there is any internet connection problem. If your internet is fluctuating or so, you are suggested to restart your router once if you are using Wi-Fi, or if you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the internet connection problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to force stop the game. For that, you have to click and hold the game icon over here. Now go to the app info and now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. After that, open the game and check if you can play it. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache option and click on clear cache. After that, try to open the game and check if you can play it. If the issue still occurs, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for Tavern Tale game and then check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it now. You should also check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and after that go below. From here you have to click on system update and here you have to check if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that try to play the game and check if you can play it. If not, if the issue still occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now select the delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your device. After that, again go to Google Play Store and in the search option search for the game and then click on the install option and then check if you can play the game now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.